Hey, this is a quick one. I had this video link sent over to me from Carlos. This is on his YouTube channel. I wanted to share it with you so you could jump over and take a look at his version of the Smart Woodshop built in his trailer. He gives a nice tour, spends some time telling you how he works and how he uses this setup. Hopefully you will find some great ideas. This is the Smart Wood Shop you've dropped into here. I want to thank you for taking the time. I will put a link to Carlos's video in the description down below. And if YouTube will allow me, I will also put a link embedded in this video so you can click right on it. But go over there, take a look, watch the video, give him a thumbs up and a comment thanking him for taking the time to share this. In this time where we have, in this lockdown time, we have a little extra time on our hands, a good time to get organized. So you might find some good ideas here and ways that you can improve your workflow and efficiency. So when we all get back to work here shortly, we'll be ready to go and be more efficient than ever. Again, thanks for dropping into the Smart Woodshop. Have a great day.